What's going on, everybody? We're about 3 to 3.5 hours away from Arkansas, where we're going to potentially pick up a new car. We have the trailer hooked up to the truck and the dog in the back. You can't see her right now, but this is the longest that she's ever been in a car for, so we'll see how she does. So far, she's not enjoying it. But we're looking at a 350Z today, and Mary lowballed the shit out of them, which is typically what we've been doing a lot because people are nicer to her whenever she lowballs them versus me lowball them. So we're going out here to pick it up. It's supposedly a 70-some thousand original mile motor, and it's got like wide body on the rear quarter panels, but it's burgundy. It's got like a silver driver's door. Yeah, we'll see how it looks. Hopefully all is good. We'll be there in like just a couple hours. So we got the car, as you can see, it's right here. It needs a lot of work. Let me prepare you. For the front end looks okay, but it needs a lot of work. We unloaded it last night and I drove it around a little bit, but it was kind of too dark to really even record anything, so I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like now. It is maroon with kind of a weird molded like wide body on it that we got to fix. It's this side wide body as well, obviously. The camber on here is crazy. Needs to be fixed. They hit something on this side, so they replaced the door, replaced this, different color mirror. But I mean, overall, it's only got 79,000 miles. The only issue with it right now is it just clunks a lot when you're driving. The coilovers on here are max speeding rod coilovers. They're like $250 brand new. We're used to like $1,500 coilovers, and these things are super clunky. They're not the like true coilovers. They have the spring that sits in the little like slot. So we got to get true coilovers for this thing, and then fix all the camber and figure out all the height issues and everything as well. The interior is pretty clean. Mary's ordering it in groceries, but the interior is pretty clean. It needs a little bit of cleaned, but nothing crazy. And the engine is a DE engine, but it's got a CDO9 transmission, so should be okay. Basically, the plan for this car is to turn it into a daily drifter or like car that we can just cruise around in. Currently, the plan is obviously coilovers, rear suspension arms. We might do the front upper control arm, and then fix the wide body in the rear, get some wheels to actually fit the wide body, maybe get KBD bumpers and that sort of stuff, so we actually have like a kit, and then paint it. Have everything painted, make it look good. We probably won't stay with the maroon or like purplish maroon that it is, just because Snuggles is already purple, and I kind of want to change it up and do something different. We are back in the garage, and we have this thing jacked up. What are we doing, Mary?
Today we're exploring a new PC we got from Arkansas yesterday. There's a lot of clunking whenever we're driving, so we were able to take a peek at it when we picked it up. But as you can see, the coilover is touching the lower control arm here.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of space here, so we're unsure if we can raise it up enough to even
like get it off the ground. Because it's sitting on the floor essentially, because it's so low and everything's clunking and the front bumper is just being dragged the whole time. But with that much space on the coilover, I don't think we can thread it out much more without just replacing coilovers. So
what
I think
is it again?
These are the max speeding rod ones, but I think that's just a downside to them, is they're made to just slam the car, not made for like drifting or performance or anything. So that's probably the downfall of these. Max speeding rod makes the coils in the rear aren't what they call true coilovers. They have an actual spring that sit in here. You see that spring there? They should, if they're real coilovers or true coilovers, they would sit on that strut, which is right there. So replacing that spring and strut assembly will just have one coil assembly, and then you would replace where that spring sits with like a tow arm that you can adjust tow with. But like, there's nothing you can really do right now. If you see, we have like 15 degrees of angle on this rear end, which is gonna make driving awful. And then you look at this side, and we have like 10. So it's gonna make it like driving it terrible, which once we get up to fast enough speeds, it does kind of feel like shit and the steering wheel's shaking. But I don't know.
Take her to places she's never seen.
I was wanting like, I was thinking like red, like a dark, deep red pearl.
I do like that.
I also really like the stock blue, this color here. At the same time, I was thinking about putting like the license plate as Yakuza and then painting it like painting it the dark gray that they had in Too Fast Too Furious, or sorry, Tokyo Drift.
I want to wrap the car because I don't want it to sit like this the whole winter.
Well,
I don't want to wait all
it's
winter.
gonna look like shit. We don't have a heated garage, so painting it in the garage is kind of not gonna be very good. We can't really paint it in here during winter time because it's gonna.
Ooh.
All right, well, okay, I lied. We have, I lied. We have a heated garage, but I close it because there's gaps in on the sides of the garage doors, and it does not stay heated in here. So I just close it so I don't have to pay the bill. But I put the car back on the ground just because there's nothing we can really do until we get new coilovers or suspension arms in the rear or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it till we get some of those parts and just have some fun in it. Just get used to driving the car, see if there's any other problems that we're gonna have to fix or anything. But yeah, plans of the future, we're gonna, obviously coilovers, suspension arms that we talked about, it's probably like the first things we're gonna do. I'm gonna check the trans fluid, make sure there's fluid in it, change all the oil and all that, whatever. We're gonna sand all of this, get it all smooth, get it all looking nice. I need to get a front bumper, rear bumper, and new side skirts so I can have a full kit for this car, make it look super clean. And then we can start focusing on what wheels we wanna buy for this thing. I'm also gonna paint this whole car probably. A lot of people were telling me to keep the like maroonish purple because it kind of matches Snuggles a little bit, but let me know in the comments what color you think would look best on this thing. I'm thinking like a deep red, which it kind of at some points looks a little red because it's like maroon, but I was thinking like a pearl, like candy apple red. But either way, let me know in the comments what you guys think we should do to this thing. It's gonna be a fun little car that we can like take around and actually go to car meets and go drifting without having to take the like full-blown like race car out because this thing's kind of sketchy to take out sometimes. Yeah, like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.